Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the last question of the set, guys. CAT 2017. This question is actually the part of the previous question that we just discussed. It should have been done with that questions. It will not take much time. But just to complete the set, right? I did not saw that question earlier. Otherwise, we could have solved this question with the previous question solution. The solution for this question is exactly similar to the one that we have discussed. All the instructions are same here, and this new question instruction is also similar to the question number 3 that we discussed here. So this is the question number 3 that we discussed, and we found out the number of cars using the route of A and B, AM and B, and A and B. That is 1 to 1, right? So in this question, the question is asking us what will be the, if all the car follow the police order, what is the minimum travel time? What is the minimum travel time from A to B? So basically the question has already been solved, right? Time आपको find out करना है A से B का. Answer is 32 minutes, which we have found in the previous question. Let me just quickly take you through again why it is 32 minutes. Just give me a minute. So answer to the previous question, right? Okay. So see that what the question is saying is A to B, 4 cars are supposed to travel, right? And A to M there is a route, M to and the M to B is a route. A to M is a narrow route, 6 minutes per car. Every additional car increase the time by 3 minutes. A to N, the time is 20 minutes. Every additional car increases the time by 1 minute. N to B, the path is narrow and short. Every car takes 6 minutes and additional car increase the time by 3 minutes. M to B, time is 20 minutes. Every additional car increase the time by 0.9 minutes, right? And as per the question, right, question number 4, question says, right, if you quickly go through the question's instruction, which we have already covered in question number 3, every car M to N, there's a new path from M to N where every car takes 7 minutes and additional car increases the travel time by 1 minute. And we are supposed to find out the minimum time in case the car follows the police order, right? So now see that M to N, there's a new route where every car is taking 7 minutes and every additional car increase the time by 1 minute. So if every car have to follow the police order with the condition that every car changes the route and it is not able, and that car is not able to reduce its travel time, in that case we have already seen in the previous question, there has to be one car taking the route of A and B. There has to be 2 car, A to M, M to N, N to B. There has to be 2 car using the route of A to M, M to N, and N to B, and there has to be 1 car using the route of A to N, N to B. Time we have already found, but let me just quickly go through this question again just to complete the set. I'm discussing the question here. You see that if 1 car is using the route of A to M to B and 2 cars are using the route from A to M to N to B. So see that A to M, how many cars are traveling? 1 here, 2 here. A to M is a path which has been used by 3 cars. Now, what will be the travel time for these 3 cars? 6 minutes is the normal time. Every additional car increase the time by 3 minutes. So 2 additional car. 3 car mean 1 plus 2 additional car. So these 2 additional car will increase the travel time by 6 minutes. So from A to M, the time traveling, the car will take total 12 minutes. A to M, the car will take 12 minutes plus M to B. In this case, only 1 car is traveling from M to B, no additional time. So 12 plus 20, time will be 32 minutes, right? In this case again, A to M, we have just seen time will be 6 plus 6, 12 minutes, right? Right? Now, M to N, how many cars are using M to N routes? 2 cars. 7 minutes here, plus for 1 extra car, 2 car means 1 additional car, 1 minute extra. Now you see that N to B, you see 1 car is moving here, and N to B, 2 cars are here. So 3 cars are moving from N to B. What will be the travel time? 6 minutes. 2 additional cars will increase the time by 6 minutes. So time will be 12 minutes here. So A to M to N to B, the time is 12 plus 1, 13, 13 plus 12, 25, plus 7, 32 minutes. And A to N, only 1 car is coming, so 20 minutes. And N to B, you see that we have already seen N to B, the time is 12 minutes. Because N to B, 2 plus 1, 3 cars are traveling. 6 plus 2 additional car will increase the time by 6 minutes. So in every possible case, you see that we have seen that whether the car is using the route of A and B or AM and B or A and B, the time traveling would be, time to travel the route will be 32 minutes. Time to reach from the destination B would be, from A would be 32 minutes. A से B जाने में आपको total 32 मिनट लगेगा. So minimum possible time question पूछा है, तीनों में same time है, तो minimum कुछ नहीं है, right? Minimum is 32 only, right? Time is constant. ये हमने पहले ही question को solve कर लिया था, question number 3 के साथ, वहीं पे question cover कर देना चाहिए था, but I did not saw the question earlier, so I'm taking it as a separate question. So 32 minutes is the answer to the question. So this set had 4 questions in the CAT 2017. And you see that if you solve one question, right, if you look at the question number 1, अगर आपने पहला question solve किया, right, तो साथ में आपका दूसरा question भी solve हो रहा है. Because second question में time का difference पूछा है, और first question को solve करने के लिए आपको तीनों का time तो निकालना ही है. So first question के साथ second question easily solve हो रहा है. एंड थर्ड क्वेश्चन अगर आपने सोल्व कर लिया तो थर्ड के साथ फोर्थ भी आपको एज अ सोल्यूशन, इसका अलग से करने का जरूरत नहीं है. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन वुड अगेन बी सॉल्व विद द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. बेसिकली यू आर सॉल्विंग 2 क्वेश्चन हियर इन दिस सेट. सेट इज इजी. अगेन द इंस्ट्रक्शंस इंटरप्रिटेशन इज अ मेजर पार्ट, मेन पार्ट हियर. If you just understand the language, I guess you will be able to solve the question very easily. So this is a CAT 2017 question. We have completed this set. I'll be picking new set now. Right, more videos will be uploaded very soon, and now we have completed 100 plus videos, right? Watch all the videos to cover it comprehensively. I have selected these set which are relevant for CAT. These are the very important videos. You will find only relevant set for CAT exam till date. Whatever number of sets I have uploaded, I guess total 100 plus video have been uploaded now, and on LRDA Prep YouTube channel. It covers almost every type of set for CAT exam. If you watch all the videos, it will help you a lot in your final CAT exam. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel and share it with all of your friends. Thank you.